Hello everyone, this is Revati working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Engineering. In my today lecture series, we are going to see about user datagram protocol, which comes under the transport layer protocol. Another one important layer of this layer is transmission control protocol, which we have seen in the previous video. Then we will move on to the definition of user datagram protocol. Already know that TCP is a connection oriented protocol, but here the user datagram protocol is a connectionless protocol. That means there is no medium, that means wired connection between two devices. It is also used for the faster transmission than the TCP protocol, and this diagram will explain about the user datagram protocol. Here the sender and the receivers are there. The sender sends the data to the receiver in order of request. Then the receiver has to send the data to the sender in the form of acknowledgment. Then the sender will start to send the data to the receiver. Yeah, then the common features of the user datagram protocols are connectionless protocol, and it has a simpler header format when compared than the other protocols like TCP, RARP or PSMTP like this. And then this will help to packet routing. Uh, then this diagram will explain about the header format of user datagram protocol. Here only four fields are available in the user datagram protocol. This is the simple header format when compared than the transmission control protocol. Here the IP header is there. This will help to identify the sender and receiver IP address of the internet. Then here the user datagram protocol header and the user datagram payload and the UDP options are there. Actually, the UDP header and UDP payload and UDP options are the features of IP payload length. The total length will be calculated from UDP header to UDP options. Then the UDP length of this header is consists of UDP header and the UDP payload. Then the next we will move on to the advantages of user datagram protocol. Here the advantages of UDPs are it is very speed when compared with the transmission control protocol. Here there is no chance of wired connection between two devices, so there is no loss between sender and the receiver device, and it is an overhead because this is having a simpler header format when compared than the transmission control protocol, so it is having low overhead. Then it is also used for broadcasting and multicasting. We already know that what is meant by broadcasting and multicasting. Broadcasting means a sender sends the data to the multiple receiver which is present in the receiver side, but in the multicast one sender is there, and there is many particular receiver will be there. For that specified receiver only can receive the sender data, and it is also having resource efficiency. The resources will be used effectively. Then next move on to the real-time application of user datagram protocol. And the user datagram protocol used in many real-time applications like instant commands. For example, you want to search yeah, content in the web page, means you need to type a text on that web page. Then you need an instant reply from the website. Then Next one is small packets. If you want to send a packets from sender to receiver, this protocol is only used for small packets transmission. Then here the packet loss tolerance is there. Mm, if any packet loss means the sender will retransmit